Hey, I got a great shortcut for you if you're working on wheel hubs. If you have one where you're dealing with a harness for the wheel speed sensor that may be behind a fender liner, has all these horrible Christmas trees on it to get in and out from behind areas that you've never seen, well, you can just simply take the old out and then put it in the new and get rid of the new harness. Do not ever use this shortcut. It is a bad thing to do because you are destroying the calibrated air gap that was done at the factory. And this is very precise done with computers. By removing the wheel speed sensor from one and putting it in another, you've just changed everything completely. And you're going to cause yourself a comeback. Do you want to know why? Well, it's going to cause an erratic wheel speed sensor code or issues with the air gap. And when the ABS system detects one of these problems, it deactivates the system. And when it deactivates, you're also getting loss of ADAS and even stability control on some vehicles. And the worst part is, the customer could lose cruise control, which is the first thing they'll probably notice. So make sure when you're installing a wheel speed sensor on a hub unit, never ever remove it from the original unit. This way you can be sure that that piece that you're installing has the precise air gap needed for that vehicle. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.